Alright guys, I'm going to test out my new key machine. I'm just making a Sargent key for the door to the furnace room here, which I will show you in a second. I've already got the key in the machine and lined up, so let's see how it works. So there's our cut key. I'm just going to deburr it. And just to prove that the door was open, so let's lock it. Works perfectly. So the machine is within tolerances. I've cut a few keys with it so far since I got it back, and I'm very happy. Thanks for watching, and check out keypicking.com.